my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and I am now going to be filming what's in my hospital bag. I did my daughter's bag separately because I don't want these to be really long videos. So let's get started on what's in my hospital bag. So my hospital bag is just the jujube, what are these called? This is the jujube Super B. No, it's the jujube something. I will link it down below if I can remember. Pregnancy brain is real bad. But it just looks like this. And this is in the TikTok print. And then I just put the first mate strap on here, messenger strap. So let's get started with what's in this bad boy. So, alright, let's get started with what's in the front part. Alright, so in this front pocket right here, I have, in the front pocket I have 2 earplugs. Because you know when the nurses and stuff come in and you're trying to sleep. So I got 2 earplugs to put in my ears so that I can get some sleep after my C-section. And then in here I have her brand new, I think, baby girl sticker and one other sticker that I want to take photos with that. I have some Q-tips because I am addicted to putting Q-tips in my ears, so I have to have Q-tips. And then along with that, I have these extenders for my nursing bras, just in case I am swollen and I need extra space on my bra. And that's all that's in this little zip pouchy part there. And this next pocket right here, because there's 3 pockets on the front, I have some nursing, these are the Munchkin latch nursing pads. These are just samples just in case my milk come in and I need some. And I also have more. I have the Lancino brand. I have 4 of those just in case. You might or you might not need those, but I have them there just in case. And then on the other pocket right here, this pocket right here, I just have some baby wipes just in case. You never know, for anything can go wrong. You need baby wipes, so I have that there. And then in the back pocket of the bag back here, there's a big old compartment here. In that I have a little hat for my daughter. I got it with my eldest daughter when she was born, and she wore it in the hospital, so I'm gonna request that my daughter also wears it when she comes out. And my oldest daughter, she's 8, by the way. And then I have some slippers here for the shower, because you know, a hospital showers, everybody bleeds and hospital showers are not it's clean to their standards, but you never know what's left behind because you never know who's cleaning it. So I have some slippers here for the shower so I can just take a shower and not feel like totally grossed out. So that's what's back there. And then in the main part of the bag is where all the goodies are. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm so excited. What? No. So I didn't go out and buy anything new because you don't have to. Just use what you have at home. So I am bringing this robe that I had for years and years and years and years and years and years. And it's just a really nice, comfortable robe, and it's just look like that. And I've had this for years, so just use what you have. You don't have to run out and buy new things, and you know, no, you don't. And then along with that, I am bringing my jujube fuel cell, and in this going to be a bunch of snacks and some whatever I can pack in here for us to snack. And then, seeing as though I am not going to the hospital right now, there's nothing in there. There's no need to pack it until I'm actually going, if I remember. So this is going to have all of our snacks in there. And then I have some fluffy socks and some regular socks, you know, just in case you get cold. And then I have another socks. This is like a little footy, and it has a little grippies on the bottom, and it just looks like that. And you just can wear this around the hospital if you go walking, because I know the first day of C-section they always encourage you to get up and walk. So I am going to need those instead of a big slipper. I don't want to be lugging around with too much stuff. And then at the bottom I just have a coming home outfit, and because this bag is not sturdy, it's falling apart. So let's put that down. So I just have a plain little black and white shirt. You know, it's nice and stretchy and comfortable, and it will allow for any, you know, extra fluff going on. So I just have that, and then a really big sweatpants, like so big, like, you know, you have everything going on down there, and you just need to be comfortable. So bring sweatpants, no jeans, none of that. I'm having a C-section, so I need comfortable things. So I didn't pack anything in here for my husband because, yeah, I ran out of space. But the only thing I have in here for him is this 9-piece travel kit on the go. And he's going to pack his own bag and figure out what he needs to be bringing with him for him to be comfortable, you know, because we are staying there for 3 days. So I just have this 9-piece travel set for him that has deodorant, shaving cream, all of that good stuff for men. I just have that in there. And that's just in the pocket. And then I have a loofah. Excuse me. I just so happen to have this on hand that I got in a gift basket, and I just drop it in there. And yeah, so let's get into the underwear side. I have with me 4 really big underwear. For the hospital does provide underwear, but for me to be comfortable and feel normal, I want my own. So I brought those. So you need big undies to support their big pads, like huge. It's like basically a diaper. And I have 3 nursing bras. So I have a black one, and this is what, if you've never seen a nursing bra, this is what it looks like. It just snaps here and it comes down, and your boobies just exposed, not all the way, but you know, you pull it down and then you snap it back on. And I have 3 of those, just in case you didn't know what a nursing bra looks like. So I have 3 of those. So I have a pink one and I have a brown one, and I got these off of Amazon for like $27 for 3. So if you're looking for inexpensive nursing bras, check out Amazon. And then I have 2 of the sleeping nursing bras. These don't have the hooks. Let me show you guys. These don't have the hooks. These don't have the hooks. These just flip out. You just flip it down. And these are for like sleeping, when you're sleeping at night and you want to be comfortable. That's that. And then I have a nightgown, a black nightgown, because everything has to be black, because babies are messy once they come out of your hoo-ha. So everything is black. So I have this nightgown right here. It's a really big nightgown. It's comfortable. I have that there. And then I have another pants, a pajama bottom, but I probably won't use it, but it's there just in case. And then I have another pajama bottom for just in case. And then along with that, I have some really soft tank for nursing during the day. You know, you put it on and stuff, and it's nice and stretchy and comfortable. That's all you're looking for, is for you to be comfortable. You know, you're not looking for, you know, cuteness. And okay, so grooming. This I am going to put some body scrubs in here when I'm ready to go. I have some mouthwash for the mouth. I have some baby oil because my skin get dry, because you know I'm a black person. Black people do get ashy, so I don't want to be ashy in the hospital. So I have some baby oil here for me, not for baby, for me. And I have a little bottle of the travel size of, you know, body spray to smell really nice. You know, you want to smell good. You don't want to be smelling like the hospital. I have some Dial soap because I'm very picky. It depends on if I feel icky and I want to be totally clean. I have some wet cleansing cloth here also for freshening up. I have some Morning Burst facial scrub for the face, you know, for the face, to keep clean the face. And I also will be bringing my my Clarisonic. Yeah, Clarisonic, my face. I have some hand lotion, body lotion, hand lotion, body lotion, same thing. And then I also have the same travel kits thing where you have the body wash, the deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, styling comb, everything is included. Just pick one up at Target. It's cheaper than going to buy everything individually. And then in this little compartment right here, I have a bunch of pads for coming home. These are for coming home, not necessarily to use there, because it's better to use their big pads because it's better the first couple days. But then when I'm coming home, I need something much smaller. I don't want to be walking around with a big old diaper from my ooh-ha to my, you know, no. So these are overnights, and I forgot what brand they were, but I will link it down below if anyone is interested in what brand this is. So I will let you guys know. And I have just 3 of those, you know, just in case, because I have a long ride from my hospital. Is an hour and 15 minutes away from where I live, so just in case you know, these fill up before I get home, I can always have my husband stop and I can change. And then I have makeup remover just to, you know, take off all the, but I probably won't wear makeup there, but I am bringing foundation, mascara, brow pencil, just to look decent for picture. And that's it. That's all that's in my hospital bag, and that's all you need. Things that I will be packing are my camera, my phone charger, my phone, change for the hospital, for vending machines, stuff like that. That's gonna be last minute, and I don't even really need it, to be honest with you guys, but that's just stuff that I can just grab and go, you know. But the main things that I will be needed are all right here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.